consider conservation of forest, we need to look at the people who are humanist and conscious about human rights. Industrialists who use the various forest produces, the people who live in or around the forest department of the government, and industrialists and the people who live in or around the forest. Which one of the following state has made roof rainwater harvesting compulsory for all the houses across the state? Kerala, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu or Haryana? The Narmada Bachao Andolan was social movement, industrial worker movement for the construction of the dam or water movement. Against the construction of which of the following multipurpose project was the Narmada Bachao Andolan launched? Sardar Sarovar, Bhakra Nangal, Rihand or Tehri Dam? Krishna Godavari dispute is due to the objection raised by the government of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Karnataka. How much percentage of Earth's surface is covered with water? About 70%, about 90%, about 60%, none of these. The term environment refers to an aggregate of existence, growth, welfare, all of the above. Biotic components do not include air, plants, animals, human beings. Producers do not include lion, ferns, evergreen trees, fig trees. Environmental problems are not confined to one component because of constant mass and energy transfer between components, ocean currents, soil formation, animal migrations. Multidisciplinary nature of environmental studies refers to the many different disciplines that affect the environment. All components are affected by each other. All animals affect each other. Animals and plants affect each other. The importance of land is because it gives us food, minerals deposit, shelter, all of the above. Soil profile is a vertical cross-section from surface down to the parent rock. The plants species present in the soil, the animal species present in the area, water bodies present in the park. The main layers, horizons, for the soil profile are topsoil, subsoil and parent material. Subsoil and parent material, subsoil and the bedrock, parent material and the bedrock. Land degradation affects the quality of land by lowering its fertility, increasing its fertility, replacing the soil, none of the above. Soil erosion can be caused by heavy flood in river, overgrazing by cattle, dry violent wind, all of the above. Water resources are important because water forms a large part of all living creature. It is essential for the agriculture, it is essential for all lives, all of the above. Where does the energy that powers the water cycle comes from? plant, animal, electrical outlets, the sun. Most of the Earth's water is in the form of salt water, ice, river water, fresh water. All of the following are adverse consequences of groundwater overuse except increased agriculture production, reduced stream and spring flow, saltwater intrusion, increased subsidence. The main reserve of fresh water on Earth's surface is sea, polar ice cap and glaciers, lakes and rivers. Which of the following is a non-renewable energy sources? Solar, methane, hydroelectric and coal. Nuclear energy is derived from the combustion of atoms of uranium-235, fission of atoms of uranium-235, fusion of atoms of uranium-235, the burning of biomass. Limitation of alternate energy source includes high installation cost, unavailability of renewable sources of energy, non-requirement of maintenance, lowered dependence on fossil fuel. Which of the following energy sources does not produce carbon dioxide? Oil, uranium, coal, natural gas. The benefits of energy recovery do not include longer availability of crude oil, decrease in e-waste, reduced number of coal-fired power plant, and extract energy from trash. Conversion of bare or cultivated land into forest is deforestation, afforestation, farming, soil erosion. Causes of desertifications are continuous cutting of the trees, excessive evaporation, overgrazing, all of these. Deforestation is caused due to soil formation, plantation of trees, construction of roads, rainfall. Which of the following is indirect function of forest? Timber, edible products, medicinal plants, regulating oxygen in atmosphere. Which of the following is responsible for desertification? Deforestation, overgrazing, mining, all of these. Studies help in maintaining ecological balance, protect biodiversity, achieve sustainable development, all of the above. Environmental impact assessment is important for industries and government bodies, plants and animals, forest fires, predicting disasters. Sustainable development looks to balance competing social needs, social awareness, conservation, environmental awareness. Sustainable development does not involve effective population control, following the reduce, reuse and recycling approach, promoting environmental awareness through education, conservation of one driving needs. One of the main problems in sustainable developments are argument over causes and responsibility, technical knowledge and understanding, finances and innovations. Important abiotic factors in ecosystem includes which of the following: temperature, water, wind. Only 1, 2 only, 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. Example of anthropogenic ecosystem is forest, marine water, grassland, or agricultural crop. Limiting factors are availability of food, water, shelter, all of the above. Non-living component is organic, inorganic, physical, all of the above.